Welcome to your 4-minute daily tarot. This is going to be for Tuesday, February 26th. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you don't know me, my name's Rachel, and I am the owner of Reiki with Rachel, where I specialize in distance energy work and give personal card readings. All right, so if you watched yesterday, the cards painted a very clear picture on and really emphasized that we needed to go within, we needed to take a step back to prevent burnout. And speaking of how we think we need to keep doing, but we're actually being less effective by staying in that energy, staying in that mindset, than if we would just take a step back and give back to ourselves. And the cards today follow that message very clearly. So we start off with the Four of Cups in reverse. And when the Four of Cups comes in reverse, it's talking about it as a time to let go of beliefs that do not serve you any longer. So going within will really give you a chance to examine what serves you and what does not serve you. The Ace of Swords in reverse talks about illusions. The illusions come from our own minds. They come from putting this sense of urgency on ourselves, or putting all of, almost imprisoning ourselves in our belief systems and our mindsets, and it creates this illusion. And then we get the Eight of Cups, and that always talks about walking away from something. So today, it is a day to examine your belief systems, examine what's not working for you, what has been an illusion, feelings or thoughts of unworthiness, thinking that you have to be this superhero, taking on everybody else's junk and holding it within yourself and thinking you just have to fix everybody. Those are just a couple examples, but it's a day for you to sit back, go within. Again, there's no action cards here. These are 2 emotional cards and 1 mental card. It's just another day to value yourself, give back to yourself, and allow these belief systems and these thinking patterns and these perspectives that do not serve you and these emotions that do not serve you, allow them to come to the surface. Examine them, and all the cards are saying you're ready to release them, you're ready to let go of them. And we've been pulling 1 oracle card from the Energy Oracle card deck by Sandra Ann Taylor, and we got the Indecision card in reverse. So I want to actually read from the book because I think the description of this card in reverse is perfect. The description in the book is perfect. But first, I want to point your attention to the number 8. 8 is a power number. It's an abundance number. It's a number of karma. It's a number of manifestation. So I do think that some karmic cycles are coming to an end today if you just give yourself that chance to take a step back and allow these thoughts and emotions that don't serve you to pass. So really quickly, let me read what the book has to say about this Indecision card when it comes in reverse. The first thing it says is congratulations. This card reversed indicates a newfound freedom from indecision. You have either recently made or are just about to make an important decision. This is an important time, so bring a clarity of consciousness to your new direction. The fragmented and confused energy that you've been sending out is gone, and now you can bring new structure to your plans and your life. So it is a day to do this. It's a day to get rid of that fragmented energy, bring yourself back to center, and know that it will pan out if you give yourself just the time and the chance to do so. Sending you much love and light today.